Welcome to TechIQ. In this tutorial, we will learn about standard input-output operations in C language. Let's first of all go to our desktop and create a file using touch command. Now let's edit it using gedit command. As we are dealing with input-output operations, we have to include stdio.h header file. Now starting our main program. Let's print out using printf function and write inside, let's say, enter your first name. Now we have to use scanf function to get input from user. As we are dealing with characters, we have to write %s and name of variable. We haven't defined any variable yet, so we will first define character variable called str1 with length of 20 and str2 with length of 20. Now let's print out again. Use a /n for a new line and type enter your last name. Use scanf function again with same parameters, but this time we have to use str2 as variable. Now let's print out and say your full name is %s, comma str1 which will represent your first name and str2 which will represent your last name. Our program is complete. Now let's just add /n at last so that we will get a new line. Now return 0 and press save button. Now let's run and compile using gcc filename -o and creating executable file called test. Now let's run it using ./test. Enter your first name, let's say Donald. Now enter your last name and write your surname, Trump. Your full name is Donald Trump. So this was standard input-output operations for characters. Now let's add an integer parameter in our C program. Now let's create a new integer variable. Let's say age. Now create a new printf function and let's say enter your age. Use scanf function to get input from user. For integers, we represent it by %d, and we have to write m%h. Now let's just rephrase our output printf function by adding and your age is %d. And pass the value of the variable age in output. Now let's just save it and compile it again. Run it. Enter your first name, Donald. Enter your last name, Trump. Enter your age, let's say 70. Your full name is Donald Trump and your age is 70. So that's it for today's video. Hope you all understood standard input-output operations in C language. Keep supporting us with your like, share and subscribe to TechIQ, and don't forget to visit our Telegram channel for latest updates.